Where's my fishing pole? Look at those pretty flowers.
What do you think of the water?
Come over here, Finn. There's one of our fishing spots. You can sit there on that rock. Back at the place we love. We're gonna go get a coffee at Hiker's Coffee Company. We've been by here, but we've not been in, and we've not ever gotten coffee here or anything. So they have ice cream too. How cool is this? Come sit on the back patio, drink some coffee. We should come work here not work, but like work on videos and stuff.
Yeah.
Have some coffee. What's your step?
I would love that.
Cool. Tomorrow is a lovely day.
Mountains are calling.
Where? Oh, yeah. Mountains are calling. Very cool. So we are in Cimarron, and we are at Russell's Laundry, waiting for the dryers. Finn, are you excited? We're doing laundry. Are you excited?
Chill.
Oh, there's Sammy.
She says, I need my camera time too.
There's
Just for the meal."
Sammy.
Oh, it's a sweet babies.
Oh.
Oops. Did you almost fall down?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Roo.
Can you speak? Can you speak? Row, 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 row. No? This is, I'm going to sleep now. We're doing laundry. What are you doing? She wants that bed over there, that pillow over there, that bed over there, and then there's another bed.
And silly me, I thought I bought them for camping.
Yeah, no.
And I bought them for Sammy.
Yeah. Are you hot, baby girl?
You're working hard.
Yeah. And we got the fans going on Sammy back there. Don't we? Yeah. It's not hot. We pulled over into Blackjack. It's had the afternoon mountain shower. It smells so wonderful out here. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go check this out. We've not ever walked down this way. Y'all see the duck? There he is. He got up on that stick, that log. Yeah. Come on, Sam.
Oh, right in there.
I know. Come on.
Let's go by the state park and I'll run in and ask him about it.
Fish! Fish!
Did you see him?
I saw a little one. Duck! Look at the butterflies. Hi, butterfly.